Hello and welcome to another Google Sheets tutorial. In this video, I will explain how to use pivot tables in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get started. We got a sales data here on our sheet. Starting from the left, we got order date, order month, different regions, sales rep, different items that were sold, the number of units, and then the unit price and the unit cost. The total cost, and then we got the unit price and the total price. So this is how much the items were sold for, this is how much it cost, and then the profit. So we can use pivot tables to analyze this data. So to insert the pivot table, we can highlight the range that you want to insert table on. You can go on insert, click pivot tables. So because we had already highlighted data, it had already selected our date range that we want to create a pivot table on. And then we can create a new sheet because we haven't got a separate sheet already. So we can create a new sheet, click insert, and there we got the table. All right, so before we start adding any of our columns or rows, let's define what we want to do with our pivot table. So the requirement that we have is we want to calculate, let's say, the total profit in different months and also in different regions. So what we can do is, in that case, we can have the values in this case will be the total profit because that's what we are trying to sum up, and then the total sum will be based on the months. So months will go into the rows. So we are saying that this is the total profit by different months, and then we want to get our region. So region was the second requirement we wanted to calculate, so we can put region on the columns. So we got different regions, the profit in different months for each of the regions, and then the total profit. We can choose to have total here by just updating this criteria here. So for example, we can just put sorry, the wrong one. So here you can just do uncheck here and it will take away the total, or we can just keep it. Cool. And now let's say we also want to calculate, so back to our table. So we also got information by different sales rep. So what we want to do is we want to check what is the sale in different months for each of the different reps. So what we can do is we can create a filter. So we can filter by individual sales rep. So we can add a filter here, and then we can filter by, let's say, first of all, we filter for Andrews. So we do that and we can see that the total profit for each of the month for Andrew is as following. And then we can select different sales reps to see their performance. Or if sales rep data was a bit more important, we can change our requirements data structure slightly. So what we can do is, instead of having the columns for the regions here, we can just replace that by the sales rep, and then we can move the regions in our filter. So we can move regions here, we can move sales rep into our columns. So what we have here now is we got different sales reps and their performance for each of the month. And now what we can do is we can select different regions to, if we want to analyze what was the performance by each of the sales rep in different regions. So we can select north here to see. So in north, different sales rep performed as following. So yeah, this is how you can use pivot tables in Google Sheets. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.